Good morning, and this is your video for Chapter 5, Lesson 1 of Taking Grapes Notes. Just as a reminder, please do not screenshot any of the images from this video. This video is for you to use to double check and make sure that your notes are matching up with my notes, okay? So if you take a picture of my notes, a screenshot or something, and put it on your notes and call those your notes, that's plagiarism, which is cheating, and you will get a 0, and I do not want that to happen this quarter. So use this, pause anytime. I'm going to go kind of fast. Pause anytime so you can make sure you have all the notes that you need to be successful, okay? Let's jump into it, all right? Here we go. All right. In vocabulary, you should have 11 vocabulary words. Each of these can be defined in the back of the book in the glossary or using context clues as you read. Here's geography. We have, there's 2 slides for geography. I'm sorry. And I did that so you could see it. And then we have nothing in religion, very little in achievements, a lot in politics, some in economy, not a whole lot. And we have 2 slides for social life as well. Okay, so those are your slides. I hope you pause, go back, rewind, do whatever you need to do, and have a great day. Don't forget, this is due on, I will be grading this weekend on Saturday, so make sure you get this done before Saturday.